Welcome to video number 1 of the Index Funds Investing course. So again, this is going to be a completely free course, so thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to get into the basics in this video, which is basically what are index funds? So index funds are very simple. An index fund is simply just something that tracks something else. So here is an example. This is SPY, or the S&P 500 ETF. Again, index funds comes in two different manners. They are either an ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund, which I'll explain in a second, or they are a mutual fund. So both of these are options of index funds. But again, the one that you're probably going to want to stick towards is ETFs over mutual funds. So the reason being is because ETFs actually outperform mutual funds and they have a lower cost for using them. So again, overall, SPY is going to be your best option, or I should say an ETF will be your best option. So again, an index fund is just something that tracks a ton of things. And how can I show you that? Well, if I show you the S&P 500 right here, we can see that that it has a ton of sector weightings. It's in a ton of different sectors, and it's also tracking a ton of different stocks. You can see the top 10 holdings right here. It tracks Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Alphabet Alphabet Class C, Berkshire Hathaway, Tesla, Nvidia, and JP Morgan. So what does this mean? It means that it's not tracking an individual stock, so you don't have individual stock risk. Instead, it takes the average move of what all these stocks are doing in a single day, and that's how that stock moves. That's how that ETF moves. So what are the benefits of trading or investing in an index fund or an ETF? Well, the benefit is, as you can see here, you have a diversification built in. You buy this single ETF here for $433, and you're automatically invested in all these stocks. Now again, I don't know about you, but Amazon is $1,500 about a share. It's really expensive. So if it is that expensive, it would be very hard to buy one share of all these. Instead, you can just buy one share of SPY and get access to the trading of all these stocks plus another 500. So again, these are just the top 10. So anyways, that is the beauty of an index fund, is that it allows you to purchase one thing, one ETF, and get access to a ton of different things. So we also have other forms of ETFs. SPY is the market average, so that's why you can see here it tracks every different sector. But we also have ETFs for different countries, for different currencies, and for different sectors. So let's say you really like the tech sector. Well, then guess what? You can go in and you can trade a index fund for the technology sector. So again, this is an ETF for the technology sector. You can see here you pay $150 and you get access to tracking Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, Adobe, Intel, Salesforce, and Cisco, just to name some of the few. So again, you can see here the beauty of actually being able to invest in an index fund. So again, an index fund is amazing and crucial if you want built-in diversification, you want less risk, and you want greater returns in a diversified manner. So if you are a dad, a parent, a mom, a full-time person, whatever you're doing, and you don't have time and you just want to start investing in an ETF such as SPY or XLK or anything like that will be huge, because you're automatically diversified and you're getting the greatest return in a diversified way. So it's a very safe way to invest. Anyways, guys, that's what an index fund is. An index fund is simply something that tracks other objects. Anyways, guys, I hope that makes sense. We're going to be getting into more in this index funds course. So please smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.